FBA uses barcodes to track and identify inventory throughout the fulfillment process. Each item you send to Amazon Fulfillment Center requires barcode. And in this video, I'm going to make it very easy to explain how Amazon FBA barcodes work, how you print them, what to put in each barcode, how to use it in the most efficient way when you actually create your packaging, and hopefully it will answer all your questions related to Amazon FBA barcodes. Now, before we're getting into the video, if you want to get more updates and videos like this one related to Amazon FBA, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you can get yourself notified for every new video that I upload and keep yourself up to date. The same with going to sourcingmonster.com and subscribe to the newsletter, because I share their tips and updates that I don't share here. And of course, with any questions that you have, you can leave them down below and I will personally reply to your comments. And let's start with the video. Okay, so there are three kinds of barcodes for identifying products. First of all, you have the manufacturer barcodes. You have UPC, IN, GCID, or ISBN. It really depends. Easy, if I'm not wrong, for books. UPC, it's the most popular one, and this is mainly used for brands or manufacturers of items that sell it all over, not just Amazon. So you're mainly going to put your UPC code if your main market is not Amazon, or if you sell cross-channel. So if you sell to a distributor, and then if he wants to put the Amazon barcodes, he can put it. But usually this is a standard that is being used with most items in the world. Amazon barcodes such as FNSQ. So these are the barcodes that I use on the packaging. Most Amazon FBA sellers will use only those, and those are the most popular ones that I will explain later. Then you have the transparency barcode. So transparency, it's a program that Amazon created to really allow brand owners to protect themselves from counterfeit items. And the way to do it is through unique barcodes for each packaging. So Amazon will make a list of barcodes, will send it to you, and then you send it to your manufacturer or to your box suppliers. And then for each box it will have a unique identifier. That means that any item that don't have these unique identifiers cannot be sold on Amazon. So this is a great way to protect yourself if you have constantly getting hijackers with counterfeit items, or you want to really protect your brand from other people selling it. To the average Amazon FBA private label seller, this is not really a good solution, because it requires much more work, and it actually costs more money to find printing houses that actually specializing in these transparency barcodes. So these are the type of barcodes to help identify products. What needs to be on an Amazon product label? So I did actually print here some barcodes here, and I'll share with you what you need to do. So first of all, you need to have the barcode. The barcode is this one, okay? Then underneath you have the actual unique FNSQ number that Amazon generating for each item. It needs to be there as well. Then you have the product name. This specifically, it's a book. And then you have the condition, if it's used, new, or whatever the condition is. I like also to put the country of origin there, because this is something that you need to put anywhere. Now you don't, obviously, the made in China statement or region, if you put it very big, it kind of not really create a premium feeling to the customer. So I like to really put it in a very small way that doesn't really pop up or really put it in the spotlight. So what I do is I make it very big, and then I use my own, like any screenshot software, to just take a screenshot of this, and then I just add my own text with the made in China. So I'm gonna put like a little separator, made in China. Just like that. And then what I do is I save it, share it as a file. Now usually you will print 30 pieces or 30 labels per page, and with 30 labels per page you can use Avery and just upload this one we just generated and use it to send it to your supplier. Now this is the basic of basic. What I like to do is to really make sure that I gave my supplier this one that we created to my box supplier, and then before we actually make the product we put the barcodes on the box itself. This is save you time and save you mistakes. Why? Because first of all, if the factory supplier will need to put barcode on each item, each unit manually, it will require much more labor. Second, it prevents mistake. Sometimes they will put the wrong label, sometimes they will forget. It really eliminates the room for mistakes here and save a lot of time, so definitely a no-brainer. It might take a little day or two more for the process, but it's definitely worth it. So this is about the FNSKU label, where you print those labels. So what I like to do is to really, you have to go to manage your FBA inventory, find the item, and then you can go here and click on print item labels. When you print item labels, it will print it, open a page like that, or the page that we saw before if you do it from the shipping plan page. And you do the same thing. You just take a screenshot and just do a little basic editing, very, very simple. So that's basically explain it in a very simple way on how Amazon FBA barcodes work. Again, you want to do it with on the packaging, it will save you a lot of time. One more thing actually I forgot. When you actually send the items to Europe, they will give you a new barcode. So make sure that you don't do the mistake and use the same barcodes that you have on the US marketplace. So UK, D, Germany, each country will have a different code. Some of the ASINs that I have in Europe, they only want you to put the barcode with the ASIN number. That's their identifier, but it doesn't really matter. Whatever they give you and provide you, you want to make sure that you put it there. Now, of course, with Europe, when you expand, and if you have the limit of 200 units, and you already have barcodes already printed in your like mass production that you send to the US, you don't really want to, make new boxes until you see the volume of orders in Europe. So you can use and stick the labels manually, because it's still new. But once you have more volume, it's okay, and you make separate boxes just for those marketplaces. So that's it for the video. It was very short and right to the point. I hope it explained it better and it's more clear to you on how Amazon FBA barcodes work. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to leave them down below in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching. Please like this video so I can reach more people and help more people with their Amazon FBA journey. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.